Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting directly to the extender, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, so you are on the same network. Open your browser, enter the extender IP or setup address shown on the device. This is how you reach the admin panel. Log in with the admin credentials. If you haven't changed them, use the default printed on the unit. Once logged in, make sure to locate the wireless or network settings page so you can modify the SSID immediately. Now you'll change the SSID and confirm security settings. Find the wireless or network name field, enter your new extender name for 4 GHz and if present, 5 GHz, naming them clearly helps device routing. Change the encryption to WPA2 or WPA3 and set a strong passphrase so clients connect securely. Once done, save or apply settings, the extender may reboot. Make sure to note the new name and password, so you finish by saving settings and waiting for the extender to reboot. This completes the name change. You should then reconnect your devices to the new SSID. Remember to enter the updated passphrase. If something goes wrong, power cycle the extender and the main router first, because simple restarts fix many issues. If you still can't access the admin panel or clients won't join, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for about 10 seconds. Then redo the setup steps from the start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.